Welcome to our rundown of the best drones in 2024. Whether you're into aerial photography, racing, or exploration, we've got the top 10 drones to suit every need. Let's dive in. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro stands out with its 48-megapixel Hasselblad camera and advanced triple camera setup. Its design accommodates multiple focal lengths, allowing videographers and photographers to capture wide-angle, medium, and telephoto perspectives in a single flight. With a remarkable 46-minute battery life and a maximum range of 15 kilometers, the Mavic 3 Pro is ideal for high-end projects. It also features omnidirectional obstacle sensors that detect and avoid obstacles from all directions, making it one of the safest and most versatile drones available. This drone is a go-to choice for professional cinematographers seeking unmatched image quality and flexibility in framing. For travelers and creators looking for a lightweight yet powerful drone, the DJI Mini4 Pro is a standout. Weighing under 250 grams, it still packs a 48-megapixel camera capable of 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second and 10-bit D-Log-M color grading. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, while the advanced O4 radio system provides robust connectivity for up to 20 kilometers. The Mini4 Pro also includes omnidirectional obstacle sensors, offering exceptional safety without adding bulk. It's ideal for those who want high-quality visuals in a portable, travel-friendly form. The DJI Air3 combines power and flexibility, boasting a 4K video capability at 100 frames per second and an impressive 46-minute battery life. It features a dual camera system, including a telephoto lens that allows seamless zooming, giving users creative flexibility for dynamic shots. With all-direction obstacle sensing, it is exceptionally safe to fly in various environments. Designed for serious hobbyists and semi-professionals, the Air3 balances high-quality visuals and ease of use with safety features that make it a reliable, high-performance option. The Autel EvoLight is known for its exceptional low-light performance, making it ideal for photographers who shoot during dawn, dusk, or other challenging lighting conditions. Equipped with a 50-megapixel camera and 6K HDR video capability, the EvoLight captures vivid colors and impressive dynamic range. Its 40-minute battery life allows for extended sessions, and the drone's design is sleek and travel-friendly. This model is perfect for photographers and content creators who value stunning imagery and color accuracy in a drone that's easy to transport. Built for cinema-quality projects, the DJI Inspire 3 is a high-end professional drone with an 8K full-frame camera, ideal for filmmakers who require top-tier image quality. It supports interchangeable lenses, enabling precise focal length adjustments, and offers RTK real-time kinematic positioning for absolute accuracy in location tracking. With a 28-minute flight time and impeccable stabilization, the Inspire 3 is a serious investment for production companies and advanced filmmakers seeking the highest quality aerial shots for major projects. Compact yet capable, the DJI Mini 3 offers 4K HDR video and a 12-megapixel camera, providing excellent quality in a pocket-sized design. With a battery life of 34 minutes, it's perfect for travelers who need a lightweight drone that doesn't compromise on image quality. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 provides stable footage and user-friendly controls, making it a great entry-level option for beginners and a convenient choice for creators on the go. The Skyio II features unparalleled AI-driven obstacle avoidance, allowing it to maneuver through complex environments while autonomously following subjects. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera and 4K video at 60 frames per second, it produces high-quality visuals and is built for adventure. With a 27-minute flight time, it's ideal for action sports enthusiasts and solo travelers who need a reliable, self-flying drone capable of capturing thrilling perspectives with minimal manual input. Designed with industrial and emergency use in mind, the Parrot Anafi USA offers a unique combination of 32x zoom and thermal imaging capabilities. It's especially useful for surveillance, search and rescue, and inspection tasks. With its 4K HDR video capabilities and impressive range, the Anafi USA delivers clear visuals even in low visibility conditions. This drone is ideal for professionals in need of detailed, long-range imagery with zoom capability for high-stakes environments. The DJI FPV is a high-speed drone designed for immersive first-person view FPV experiences, combining stability with agile handling. It captures 4K video at 60 frames per second, and its responsive controls make it perfect for action shots. Aimed at racing enthusiasts and extreme sports videographers, The DJI FPV allows users to dive, roll, and soar through intense environments with thrilling precision and dynamic footage that brings the viewer right into the action. The Holystone HS720E is a budget-friendly drone that doesn't skimp on quality. It features a 4K UHD camera, 26-minute battery life, and GPS support for added stability. Its electronic image stabilization helps deliver smoother footage, making it an ideal choice for beginners learning the basics of drone videography. With GPS tracking and simple controls, the HS720E is perfect for those who want dependable performance without breaking the bank. That wraps up our top 10 drones of 2024. Each of these models brings something unique, from professional cinema drones to travel-ready companions. Make sure to like and subscribe for more insights on the latest in drone technology.